Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucketflow, and today we are going to learn about ELB and ASG. ELB stands for Elastic Load Balancer and ASG stands for Auto Scaling Group. So before starting, we will see where we'll have this option. If you go to EC2 instance, and on the left hand side you will see Load Balancing and Auto Scaling Group. In that we have a different things we will see deep down, no worries. So let's get started. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe. You can check out our AWS related videos. Okay, and you can check out my portfolio as well, and if you're on LinkedIn, do follow me there as well, and you can connect with me. Okay, so let's get back to our topic. So today's topic is ELB, Elastic Load Balancer. Before starting, we need to know few things, which is scalability and high availability. Scalability means, you just imagine you have a house. In that, you predicted, okay, 5 guests will come on a festival, but if beyond 5 people came 10, so what you will do? You will arrange the sitting arrangement and all. So that's called scalability. Okay, and we'll see high availability later. So scalability means that your application can handle a greater loads by adapting. Okay, so as the guest came, you adapted and you arrange the chair so that they can sit. Okay, in scalability we have two things. One is vertical scaling, and the second one we have horizontal scaling. Okay, so we'll learn about vertical scaling and horizontal scaling, and then later we'll go to high availability. Okay, so let me zoom it. Okay, vertical scaling. Vertical scalability means, you have just imagine you have a instance. Okay, let me copy the instance. Okay, and this instance is t2.micro. Okay, just imagine this instance is t2 micro. Now you predicted only 10 users will come. Just imagine. Okay, 10 users is going to use this application, so t2 micro is efficient. Okay, but as the time goes, okay, you got some popularity and the number of users increased from 10 to 100. Now this T2 micro is not able to handle this much load in the current scenario. Okay, so what you will do, you will upgrade T2 micro to T2 small. Okay, it will handle. Okay, now again you got some popularity. Okay, again you got some popularity and your application is doing great. Okay, and again number of users got increased. So just imagine from 100 to 10,000. Now what? This T2 micro is not able to handle that much load to your uh, 10,000 users. Okay, so what you will do, you will extend to extra large, then might able to handle. So it will keep going, but there will be some limit where this EC2 instance has the limit. You can't extend till that. Okay, so that's called a vertical scaling. Then after that we will have a vertical scaling. So vertical scaling in the sense, you have one EC2 instance. Okay, you have EC2 instance. Just imagine you predicted there will be 1,000 users. Okay, initially, and you have T2 small you have. Okay, as the time goes and the number of users got increased. Okay, now from 100 you got 10,000. Okay, so what you can do, you created one more EC2 instance with T2 small and distributed the load. That's called horizontal scaling. You are scaling everything. Okay, so you added and you added more. So that's horizontally you are scaling your EC2 instance, not vertically. Vertical in the sense you are adding uh, like you are increasing the RAM, storage, CPU as the user's load increase, but there will be always a limit on that. Okay, that's called a vertical scaling, and this is called horizontal scaling. So this is what horizontal and vertical scaling. I hope you got the point and you understand what is scalability and high vertical scaling, horizontal scaling. In the next video, we'll see about high availability zone. Okay. Do let me know if you have any question or if you have any query or I did any mistake or which I need to improve in my upcoming videos. And before closing, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Do follow me on LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.